Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today we have another small crochet channel shout out. You are gonna love today's channel. It is fantastic, beautiful thumbnails, lovely scrolling, all sorts of topics just to keep you company. And do you wanna know who it is? It is Amy Love and Yarn Studio. Yay, Amy. She is fantastic. I really like her thumbnails. It just makes you feel like, oh, I could watch all of those videos. They're so pretty. And she also does a whole bunch of like collection kind of videos, like top blankets or easy blankets or like just little collections. And she goes all over the internet to like compile pretty pictures of the projects that she is talking about. So it's just really nice crochet content to explore and dive into. Good company while you're crocheting. And she also has she seems to know a lot of pattern people, channels. So I appreciate that because I definitely don't. I just keep my head down and do my own thing. So that channel or her channel is very good for that, for like showing a collection of work from different creators. So here are some stats about her channel. Well, in her description, she says, hi, I'm Amy and I love yarn. No, she says, hey, I'm Amy and I'm Love and Yarn Studio. Welcome to my little crochet corner of the internet. I'll be sharing my love for all things patterns and yarn and my crochet journey through vlogs, tutorials, hauls, and so much more. New uploads every Wednesday and Sunday at 6:30 p.m. GMT. So that's great. Oh, she says, crochet along with me and subscribe. Excellent idea. Love to do it. I certainly enjoyed crocheting with you. You just didn't know about it. And let's see, she joined on January 15th, 2024. So she's been doing it for 2 years, 2-year anniversary actually. So congratulations on that. And she currently has 5,440 subscribers. And she's put up 379 videos. So there is a plethora of things to look at on her channel. She also sells on Etsy. So she shares her experience with that, the good, the bad, and everything fabulous about it. So you really can it's like a rabbit hole. You can definitely dive on down and like see, I'll show you on the screen, but isn't that pretty? It's pretty. So all of her things, well, she's pretty too, but her thumbnails are also pretty. So I just really enjoyed it. And she doesn't know we're talking about her. So pop on over there, tell her we are talking about her, and enjoy some of her content. And if you do, subscribe, share with your friends, and let's just support content creators that are creating good videos, showing up, and making the crochet community the place that it is on the internet. I know there can be a lot of things that are like negative, and well, I'll tell you about that after. I found a whole bunch of negative stuff out there. A lot. So I just support the people who are like making it like, you know, flowers in the garden. We don't have to look at the weeds. Let's look at the flowers. These channels are definitely flowers. So pop on over to Amy Love and Yarn Studio and give her some yarny love. Now, tomorrow's video, you're also going to love it. We're on a roll. So don't forget to stop back for that and say hi to Amy. Stay hooked. Hair is not looking good. Okay, it's not a fashion channel. We get it. Okay. Uh-oh, where are you? Okay, better? Make sure I'm all tucked in there. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna turn off my AC. I was like, why is it so nice and chilly in here? That's why. All right. Side note, microphone came, charging it, looking at it. We're not using it right now. I'm gonna ease into that like next week. New things. I like new things. I don't like new things right away. That was good. I hope I have sound.